Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when all of the downloads in Google Play Store are stuck on a pending in Motorola Moto E6i. And to do this, first let's open our Google Play Store, and here just to show you we're gonna try to install any app or game in this case. And as you can see, it's in the pending mode and it won't begin the actual download. So we can cancel it for now and move on to the fix. We need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and enter system. Here select date and time and make sure that you're using your network provided time. Now we can go back to the Google Play Store and try to install the same app or game. And it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.